Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at AAATrade. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AAATrade is a licensed European investment firm and registered liquidity provider that was founded in 2013. AAATrade is a member of the Investor Compensation Fund, and client funds are held in segregated accounts with leading Swiss banks. This broker is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and the Financial Conduct Authority, and is also registered with the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. This broker is beginner-friendly and offers flexible accounts for retail traders, professionals, and institutional clients. AAATrade is a straight-through processing broker that offers thousands of CFDs and a wide range of other instruments that can be traded commission-free and with tight, raw spreads and low fees. As a AAATrade client, you will have direct access to the market with spread-only accounts, and we highly recommend trading with this broker if you are a beginner, an active trader, a day trader, or a news trader. This broker offers more than 16,000 stocks, CFDs, Forex pairs, indices, spot metals, commodities, futures, and cryptocurrencies. You can view the available instruments by clicking on the menu button and either heading straight to the product's overview page or clicking on the arrow and choosing an instrument from the drop-down menu. Trading fees and pricing details can be found under the pricing section of the menu. AAATrade offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate, and you can find all the information you need about this broker's trading conditions, instruments, platforms, and regulations on the homepage. If you can't find what you're looking for on the homepage, you can click on the menu button in the top right corner of your screen and choose one of the options from the drop-down menu. The menu can be used to find out more about AAATrade's promotional offers, accounts, and instruments, and you can also access the online academy and market research from here. If you are looking for something specific, you can use the search bar next to the menu bar to find what you're looking for by typing in keywords. AAATrade offers multilingual customer support, and the support team is available 24 hours a day. If you'll be trading on the AAATrade web trader, you can reach the customer support team directly from the dashboard by clicking on the AAA Messenger button. You can also contact them by clicking on Contact Us at the bottom of the main menu. The support team can be contacted via email and by telephone, and details can be found on the website. If you would like to request a callback, you can submit a web ticket directly from the website and speak to one of the customer service agents. We also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if any of your questions have already been answered, and you will also find helpful tips here. AAATrade offers up to 10% cashback on each trade if you deposit at least $25,000, and this offer is available to clients who use the advanced and premier services. If you deposit at least $25,000 into your trading account, then you will receive 5% cashback on every trade. And if you deposit $100,000 or more, you will be eligible for the full 10% cashback reward on every trade. AAATrade also offers positive interest rates on all accounts above $25,000 and is one of the only brokers that will reward you with interest on the funds in your account. So let's take a look at some of the accounts you can open with AAATrade and the trading conditions this broker offers. AAATrade offers a total of 3 account types with smart order routing execution, which can be used either for hedging, stock trading and CFD trading. The accounts are designed for beginners and professionals, respectively, and the corporate account has VIP trading conditions with dedicated support. The individual trading account can be used as a basic account, and no minimum deposit is required. We recommend trading on the basic account if you are a beginner. This account offers commission-free trading on Forex, stocks and CFDs, and gives you access to the educational center. The maximum leverage allowed on the basic account is 1 to 30. You can also open a demo account, which is the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account lets you trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. Demo accounts are also a great way for existing clients to try new tools and test their strategies. With AAATrade, you can practice trading and test your strategies with a virtual balance of $100,000 or more in the currency you prefer. If you plan on depositing at least $25,000, you will get advanced services from AAATrade, and we recommend using this plan if you are a professional trader or a high-volume trader. In addition to the basic services offered, the advanced plan offers a 5% commission rebate on every trade, one-on-one support, and positive interest on your account. Professional clients can leverage their trades by up to 200 times, and spreads start as low as 0.1 pips on CFD instruments. AAATrade also offers a premium trading service for high-net-worth individuals and institutions. If you deposit at least $100,000 or more, you will have access to all the features of the basic and advanced plans, and no monthly account fees will be charged. The corporate account is a full white label solution, and it offers spreads from 0 pips, commission-free trading on securities, and a personal account manager. In addition to the live trading accounts offered, AAATrade also offers advisory services, and you can request to have your account managed by a professional. Muslim clients can open an Islamic swap-free account. No interest or rollover fees are charged on overnight positions with this account. In order to learn more about the accounts and trading conditions AAATrade offers, click on the menu button and head over to the account type section. There are several platforms that you can use with AAATrade. This broker supports MetaTrader 5, and you can also trade on the AAATrade web trader or mobile application. The AAATrade web trader has an intuitive dashboard, and you can find all the resources you need by choosing an option from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This broker offers built-in portfolio analysis functionality, an economic calendar, an educational section with videos, market correlation and news updates, which can all be accessed directly from the web exchange. You can also access international markets directly from AAATrade's intuitive World Trade widget, and there are more than 25 exchanges you can trade on with this broker. AAATrade also has a proprietary crypto exchange platform that can be used to buy and sell over 50 popular cryptocurrencies using more than 10 payment methods. The crypto exchange application can be downloaded for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. The MetaTrader platforms are currently the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website and official brokers. Download links for all the AAATrade platforms can be found by clicking on the menu button and heading over to the Trading Platforms page. Creating an account with AAATrade may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the AAATrade homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online application form. Next, verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified and set up, you can log into the client portal. Once your account is then approved, you can fund it and start trading with AAATrade. AAATrade provides free educational resources and a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000 that can be used to practice trading. You can learn the basics of trading by reading through AAATrade's ebooks and trading guides, and you can also watch webinars for expert insights into trading. Once you have opened an account, you can use the economic calendar to keep track of major economic events and market sentiments. AAATrade also provides market forecasts and in-depth analysis from market experts. And you can get all your important technical and fundamental analysis updates from this broker. You will find video tutorials, market research, and live market sessions on the AAATrade Online Academy page. And you can access educational content directly from the web trader. AAATrade has a blog that you can visit for updates on the latest market trends, daily trading signals, and intraday technical analysis. You can also visit the AAATrade Live Quotes section for daily news updates and free market analysis. More helpful tips are provided under the Corporate News section, and we recommend reading through these articles to learn more about protecting your accounts and your identity when you trade online. We usually look at the awards our top-rated brokers have received to get a better understanding of what their strengths are. However, there are currently no awards displayed on the website. However, AAATrade is PCI compliant, which is a payment card industry data security standard, and uses SSI encryption to protect accounts. AAATrade is also audited by KPMG Global and is a safe broker with a good reputation. Overall, AAATrade is a licensed and regulated broker that has been around since 2013. This broker offers flexible account plans and competitive trading conditions, and if you are new to trading, you can either practice on a demo account or use the basic plan to get started. Professional and corporate clients get VIP perks, dedicated support, and personal account managers. The advanced and premier account plans reward traders with cashback rebates and positive interest, and all AAATrade clients have access to expert insights, market research, news feeds, and free educational resources. So if you are interested, be sure to open your AAATrade account today to get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of AAATrade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.